Good morning, students. This is Rajkumar Yadav, and today I am going to solve some questions from 9.4. That is how to solve the differential equation, both general equations and particular solution. Particularly, I am here for general solution. How we find the general solution, right? There are some methods to solve these of first order for degree differential equations. First topic is differential equation with variable separable, right? Variable separable. What is the meaning of variable separable? Here we have been given a question number 1, that is dy by dx is equals to 1 minus cos x upon 1 plus cos x. Here we can see that if we separate the function x with dx and y, the function y with dy, it can be easily separated, right? We can take dx there. So we have now dx, right, with the function x and dy. There is not a function of y there. So now the next step is we have to integrate that. Now it's up to your skills to integrating questions, right? So how you learn about the integration, that will be counted here. So what is the integration of that? That will be y. You have to change there so that you can easily integrate this, right? So it will be 1 minus 2 sine square x by 2, right? And 1 plus 2 cos square x by 2 minus 1. I have put some formula from trigonometry so that I can cancel out this 1, right, from both numerator and denominator, and that's done. Now this is 2 sine square x by 2 and this is 2 cos square x by 2. It will be cancelled out. Now we can see that it is, you can see there it is sine upon cos, that is 10. So it will become 10 square x by 2, right? Now what can we write there? That is sec square x by 2 minus 1, and we have to integrate that. What is the integration of this thing, sec square x by 2? Can you see there? It will be 10 x by 2 upon x by 1 by 2, right? It is the formula for that. Sec square theta, that is tan theta, and the coefficient of x, that will be in denominator. Now for 1, that is x, and of course there is an integrating constant there. So we got the general solution of, after that, of this differential equation, right guys? So this was the general solution of given differential equation. Now we have one more here, or that is, you can see there. Again we have to separate this topic. This exercise is when we can easily separate the variables. With dx, the function of x, and with dy, the function of y, right? So we have again dy upon, you can take this function of y here in the denominator and dx will be there, so that you can understand. Now the same thing is done now, right? It is separated. Now you have to integrate that, and that is tan inverse y upon 1. What is the formula for this tan inverse 1 upon? You can take that 1 upon 1 plus x square integration, that is, you can say that it is tan inverse x upon 1 and 1 upon 1. It was a, so 1 upon a, right? So it is, you can write that. Also, what is the integration of 1 into dx? That is x. What is the integration of this? That is x cube by 3. You can integrate easily, and of course in the last, the c, the integrating constant c. Now we got this general solution of this given differential equation, right? What is the difference between the particular solution and the general solution? For that, for particular solution, we have been given some values of x and y, so that we can calculate here. See, by putting those given values x and y, you can see there we can put y and x, which is given already, so that we can find out the c, and we can put in this equation of that value of c. That will be known as particular solution, because we have been given a particular values of x and y. So guys, this exercise, whole exercise will be like that. Some questions of language based, that will be, first of all you have to find the equation first, that differential equation first, after reading that question carefully, and then you have to solve like that by separating them, right? So for today, all the best guys. In the next video, if you ask more questions from this topic, I will send you more videos for you. Thank you, all the best.